Welcome in this session. So in this session I will talk about very very important tool in this artwork. If you are interested in color pencil artwork, so these tools are plays very important role. So this is nothing but this burnisher and blender pencil. So if you observe this, let me zoom in that area. Yeah, so this burnisher and blender pencil. So what is this pencil and how to use that we will see in today's session. So basically, as I said earlier, there are two types of surfaces. Normally there is a matte surface and one is glossy surfaces. So you observe that glossy surfaces reflect the reflection very prominently, but whereas matte surface reflects the lights very not that much prominently like glossy surfaces. So this pencil will help you to bring that effect. So for example, if you are working on an object which is looking like giving reflections like a glossy, which are very shiny and all that, for that you have to use this burnisher pencil. And for the matte area you have to use this blender pencil for blending the colors. So how you have to do that, how you have to observe that, I will take you in today's session. So if you observe this bird closely, bird is hornbill. So if you observe this bird very closely, then you can observe on his beak there is a smooth color, smooth reflections are there, because that it reflects the color of the sky. So, and it is very smooth because it is having the glossy kind of finish, but at the same time his neck and all that not giving any smooth reflection, because this is very matte, because it is a skin and all that hairs are there. But compared to that, their beak is lot of glossy and it gives very prominent reflection. Even here also you can see the reflection very prominently. So this glossy finish we will bring with the help of this burnisher pencil. So how we will do that? So please try to cover your artwork first, so that you can land your hand on that area, so that the artwork will maintain as it is. And now try to apply try to blend the color with the help of this burnisher pencil. So I will show you now in detail. Let me zoom in that close area. Yeah, now you can just observe how I have tried to cover that. So once you apply the proper color, then you have to just do the blending with the help of this pencil. Even that white reflections are running throughout his beak till the end. So I will also try to do the blending till the end. Now you can find at the top of this horn there is a lot of reflections are there. So I will try to cover that, create that also. And you can find little bit in his horn there is a bump is there, and because of it is bump at the edges there is very prominent reflections are there. So it will, I have already applied the burnisher pencil over there, so that's why you can't find a huge difference. But it is like that, means like this. You have to just observe where you have to apply that, and you can apply this pencil so that it will bring the metallic look, and it will give the prominent reflections on that edges or in that area. So that's it. Now we will quickly see how to use the blender pencil. So it's the same for blender pencil also. You have to use blender pencil where you have to do matte finish blending. So for that you can use this pencil. One more point I would like to mention over here. It is not like that you have to use this kind of pencil only, because these pencils are a little bit expensive. So it is not like that you can achieve the effect with the help of this kind of pencil only, because these pencils are playing the same role like we use cotton or earbud. So definitely you can use those cost effective tools also. We have a different session on using of cotton, earbuds, and even stumps also. So this pencil, if you have budget and all that, then only you try these pencils. Otherwise, if you are fine with the cotton and earbuds, that is also completely fine. Most of the artwork which you have saw, it is made up of cotton and earbuds only. In very less areas I use this pencil, because recently I bought this pencil and I am just exploring this pencil. So it is not like that you can achieve good effect with this kind of expensive pencil only. You can achieve the effect with very cost effective tools also. So now quickly I will take you the blending with the help of this blender pencil. So for that blending pencil I will use in the area where the lights are not prominent. It is just mixing with other area, neighboring area. So you know that this is in this neck, there are a lot of hairs are there, so there is no point to blend here. So I will just blend near to his back, because over there some colors needs to be mixed. So like that I will do the blending. So it will play the same role like a cotton and earbud, only thing that it has a tip, so that you will get more control over it, and you can in complex area also you can work very effectively. That is the main advantage of these kind of pencils. So this area majorly I already done with this pencil. So it will give the smooth blending between two colors like this. In here, if you observe, let me zoom in that area. So here if you observe, this orange color and here it is yellow color. So I try to blend that. Please don't give very hard pressure, just slowly you increase the pressure and check how it is output is coming, and depending on that just vary the pressure. Don't apply too much pressure on that. So that's it. Like that you can blend colors with the help of this blender and burnisher pencils. So I want you to if you purchase these pencils, then please comment on the comment box with the effect you got with the help of this pencil. I am not insisting you to purchase this pencil, because this pencil are a little bit expensive. I think this pencil I bought for 700 rupees, only 4 pencil for 700 rupees. So I am not insisting you or forcing you to purchase this pencil, but if you purchase, then if you after application, if you find any difference,
and then take a click of that picture. After clicking that picture, please upload that picture on your Instagram account, and please tag my account so that I can go through your picture and I can reply on that. So see you in the next video. Till the time, happy sketching and bye bye.